Let's talk today how important our immune system is. If our immune system is strong, our body can fight any disease or foreign antigens effectively. So what is immune system and how it works? It is the process of our body which produces antibodies to fight the foreign antigens or to fight the disease. So if we talk about the antibodies, it is of 4 types in our body: IgG, IgM, IgE, IgA. IgG provides long-term protection against infection. IgM, which is present in blood and limbs, initially responds to infection. IgE, present in blood and tissues, it responds to allergic reaction and parasitic infection. If we talk about the IgA, it present in mucous membranes, saliva, tears, breast milk, which provide protection against infection in mucous membrane. Now talk where antibodies form. It forms in plasma cell, which is one type of B cell, type of WBC. So now what is sequence? WBC, inside which a B cell, which is a type of WBC, which plays a crucial role in immune response. If we talk about the B cell, it is of 2 types, plasma cell and memory cells. Plasma cells is a specialized B cell that produce large quantities of antibodies, and memory cells remains in body and can quickly respond to subsequent exposure to the same antigens. Means memory B cell is for the antigens which already attack on our body, so it will memorize and attack. Beside WBC, our blood also contains RBC, which is of 45% of our blood, and also plasma, which is 55% of our blood. And think, WBC and platelets combinedly present less than 1% in our blood, but WBC is very important. Now let's talk about plasma. It contains 50% of water, 4% protein, platelets, leukocytes, erythrocytes, lymphocytes, monocytes, neutrophils, basophils, globulins, fibrinogen. One more thing, there are many diseases in which our immune system start killing our healthy cells, healthy tissues. This type of disease is also called autoimmune disorder. Let's talk about few of them, like Guillain-Barré syndrome, type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis. Type 1 diabetes immune system damages the pancreas, insulin producing cells. If we talk about the Guillain-Barré syndrome, it is a neurological disorder, and the person suffering from Guillain-Barré syndrome find positive for Campylobacter jejuni, just like person suffering from AIDS find positive for HIV virus. In Guillain-Barré syndrome, the patient faces tingling, numbness, weakness and paralysis. If we talk about the treatment of Guillain-Barré syndrome, there is no known cure for Guillain-Barré syndrome, but some treatments that aid in recovery. Most people can make a nearly full recovery. This treatment which used in GBS is plasmapheresis, that is plasma exchange therapy, in which removing the patient's plasma, the liquid part of blood, replacing it with plasma substitute. And second is intravenous immunoglobulin therapy, in which IVIG contains broad spectrum of antibodies. Immunoglobulins collect from the plasma of thousands of healthy donors. These antibodies can neutralize the harmful antibodies that is attacking the peripheral nervous system in Guillain-Barré syndrome. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for more such updates and share the video if you found it informative.